Oh, hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Tech Mac. Um, I'm back today with another great device as I show up every time. But I'm pretty sure this one you have seen so many times, already have been so many reviews out there. But finally, I have my hands on it, and I guess I will try to give you the best review possible and cover everything that I can or something that you haven't yet seen out there. So without any further delays, I'm back with iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is a 2 TB variant, and I can't wait to unbox it. So I'm gonna go home and start unboxing. Oh wait, even better, let's do it right here, right now. So one and two. All right, look at that. Yeah, I can't wait to see this. Well, look at that. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. Boom. I think it looks better than I expected based on all the videos that I have seen. It really gives a different appeal when you look it in person rather than just on a YouTube video. So I think it is really very well appealing when you look at it the very first time. Uh, Other than that, we only get the charger cable in this box. But yeah, that is usual Apple stuff and unboxing. So because I was too impatient and unboxed it right after I get it right in my car, let me set it up, start it, and be a little bit more patient. Get back home and continue the video with all the specs, features, and everything. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm back home with the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and as I said, we will get into the tech details. So I'll cover it really fast because I know like there you have already seen it, I think a million times on million different videos, and I'm pretty late to the party, but still I'll try to cover it the best I can, and I'll show you a little bit of what the open gate and all this stuff or fuzz is about in the log 2 or Apple Pro Res log, right? So let's dive into the tech details, price details, and few stuff that is newer compared to iPhone 16 Pro Max or 15 Pro Max. Let's get into it. Uh, Diving into the tech details, as we know that iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in three major colors: the silver, the dark blue, and the orange that I have now. It starts at 1199 with 256 GB variant, followed by a little bit increased memory, that is 512 gigs at 1399, then 1 TB at 1599, and then 1999 is at 2 TB, which is what I have. It's quite a price to pay for a device when you are not able to record Pro Res Log on the device itself. You are still carrying an external SSD drive with you around, right? So I think Apple has to work around that part, particularly if they really want the creators to start using iPhone with its main camera sensor, which is amazing compared to like the professional cameras and the previous phones, right? But they still stays as a pain point where you have to like attach your external SSD and then you have to manage it with whatever gimbal you are using, because not all gimbals are comfortable using the external SSD drive just based on how the phone placement is, right? But getting back to what we are getting new in this year, is the camera module. So now all three cameras have 48 megapixel sensor, which is uh, great, but major difference is in the front camera, that is at 18 megapixel with center stage. We will review a little bit of photos and videos upfront in this review, but for now I think that's all the changes around the camera. Now another major change is in battery life, which is at 33 hours of screen time, or overall battery life. At least that's what Apple claims. With that said, I think this phone's vapor chamber technology is something that is to take note of, because I know my iPhone 15 Pro Max gets very very hot when I'm working it out too much. But this phone usually disperse that heat across the aluminum unibody using this vapor chamber thing that Apple has installed in this phone. Outside of that, all it has is a new engine, that is A19 Pro chip with some extra RAM. But other than that, I don't think there is a major bump you can see in iPhone 17 Pro Max compared to 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max, because most of us will use this phone for either for its camera, video recording, or calls, emails, using apps that we use in day-to-day life. Maybe some of the heavier apps like video editing, which I sometimes use on my phone, but it works just as fine on my 15 Pro Max as this phone. So of course this phone is very much more powerful than iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max, but the iOS is still not utilizing or not designed to utilize its full capacity. So those who are expecting a magical difference right out of the box, you have to just hold your horses for now, because still there is a lot that can go into this particular phone, but it's still not there. So that's pretty much it on the tech side or tech details from mine. Let's dive into what the videos or photos look like, and then we'll see what is this ProRes log open gate, what open gate means, and what it looks like when you're editing it, or how it is helpful while editing. So I'll cover that real quick, and then we'll go from there to the conclusion. Let's get to it. So guys, this is what the Apple's latest OpenGate ProRes RAW HQ Log2 looks like from a Final Cut Pro camera. Today is cloudy weather, as you see before in the unboxing video, so I'm gonna try and take some more photos, pictures, trying to capture as much colors as possible, and we'll try to show you what the editing part looks like, and what actually it is that is different from Apple Log 1, which was introduced with iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is what I'm currently using as my regular phone alongside the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's go out and capture some more colors. This is what it looks like outside when it's raining. Just a casual shot in Pro Res Log, and then we cut to another very normal shot at some outlet mall. And here are some of the photos that I have taken with RAW. So images also are getting open gate RAW, and I think it is so amazing. The camera module and the overall quality of any photos clicked in any type of light, it is good enough. And most of the people are not creators, so they'll be shooting regular photos like this. So guys, as you can see on the screen right now, I have a small video recorded with the iPhone 17 Pro Max with ProRes Log2 in OpenGate. Now, what is OpenGate? OpenGate is when video is captured using the full sensor of the camera. So it is not limited to or by a particular screen or aspect ratio. So as you can see here, if we are going to zoom on this particular part of the video, we are getting equally good quality as we will be getting on what we are at right now in default. So you can select any particular frame and you will get a very very high quality or equal quality. You won't see any kind of quality degradation if you use any of these different frame size. And that's pretty much what OpenGate is, that you can use a full sensor to take a video and then edit it to be viewed either on a phone, on a tablet, or a computer based on what your content looks like and where it is supposed to be watched. But other than that, how to edit it, you can go to the color page on the DaVinci Resolve. Here you will see like camera metadata. Go to clip. You see ISO is 32 and raw to log is HLG. All you have to do is convert it to Apple Log2, and boom, that's where you have your entire video. Now you can change the ISO or white balance afterwards, exposure, color, temperature, everything. Now this is what I think is the best part of a raw file or log file, because it is giving you the option to change all these settings after your video has been shot, right? Now if you wanna get all the colors in the frame, all you have to do is use color space transform, use Apple Log2 here and Apple Log here, and that's where you'll get your regular video. You can change the color temperature, as you can see here. You can change your brightness, ISO. You can change your colors and everything. So I hope you liked the video that I just showed you. I explained what the open gate means in the ProRes log for the new iPhone 17 Pro. Now, with that said, I think we are at the point of conclusion. I know you guys have already seen a lot of videos already out there that explains all of these and have their own perspectives, right? Now, here is mine, just to add to all of those videos, right? I have been using this iPhone 17 Pro Max for 2 weeks now. Um, I think there is not a huge difference, to be very honest, when it comes to all the utilization, usability. Of course, two major things that I have seen improvement is one in camera and second in battery life. But other than that, there is no major improvement in day-to-day use for this phone. So if you are someone who has anything that from iPhone 14 or later, feel free to upgrade your phone to either Air, iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. These are the best deals that you'll be getting for the upgrade, right? But if you are on 15 and 16, I think you can still wait out for one more refresh on the iPhone 17 Pro. And the major reason for that is one, that there is no major upgrade. Of course, cameras are better. Front facing camera is the biggest I think upgrade in the cameras that I have seen when I compare to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But other than that, right, I am using all the apps, emails, gaming, and everything in my phone. I edit videos as well in my phone, and both the phones are just neck to neck. Now, of course, my iPhone 15 Pro Max is a little bit used, so battery life percentage is around 94-92%, somewhere in that range. So it is even lesser than the actual iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery life when it comes out new, and which is anyway lesser than what 17 Pro has to offer. However, uh, it doesn't make a difference, because at the night time you can be at 20% or 50%, but by morning you will always need your phone at 100% just to be on the safer side. You don't know like what the day is gonna look like. So that is my conclusion, to be honest. It's a very expensive, very good phone. I think the best bet for all the content creators is still the camera on this phone. But I think it will be even better when Apple will let us record ProRes footage on the phone memory, because now we are getting up to 2 TB, which is like exactly uh, what I'm using as an external hard disk, right? So imagine having 2 TB in this phone, and then you still can't use it for your photo shoot, right? So that's what frustrates me a little bit about this phone. But other than that, the great screen, great form factor, build quality is awesome. Of course, keep it in cover, or you'll get that scratches and everything all around the phone. But other than that, I think that is what my conclusion is on this phone. anyone on iPhone 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, or in that range. uh, Upgrade if you have extra cash lying around, but if you won't, you are not missing out on very much. It's just like a lot of hype out there based on this new color and the camera module and this new design in the back. But other than that, there is not much to it. The form factor or the build quality is still great, that as we expect from Apple, and everything else is just as good in iPhone 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max for those who have it already. So I hope that helps you or some of the viewers on this channel to decide whether they should go for this year's iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. But I would say if you still want to buy and you are not into cameras that much, go for 17. It's even a better deal compared to the 17 Pro Max from the build quality standpoint as well as the price standpoint. So yep, that's my final verdict on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I have already lined up the new M5 chip, iPad Pro, and MacBook. So please stay tuned, and we'll soon be reviewing the iPad as well as the MacBook with the M5 chip. See you till next video.